We're a company that's always put flexibility at the heart of what we do. If you want high quality product and you want a collaborative service proposition, then we're a good bet. We're a global manufacturer, and that's been increasingly important.
We're always looking for new, innovative things that we can include in our projects, and this goes right across the board. I mean, every single component we use is subject to something new coming out next month, next year, and we try to stay on top of that if we can. And there's a lot of things that we make here that use glue, adhesives of one type or another, and we're very keen moving forward to stick to kind of a water-based approach to everything we glue, and then there's no harm to the atmosphere, the people working, the product is safe and clean. We work with hot melt glues, water-based glues. We have projects with so many different components, that even down to the feet that are attached to the bottom of wooden legs on cafe restaurant chairs. We can use feet that are made from recycled fish nets. A lot of the componentry we use a lot of plastics, and when you're using plastics, you can usually find somebody that will supply you with a more sustainable version of the thing you're already using.
It's important that the furniture we create as well at the end of its life can be disassembled and then go on to another life. So, for example, the foam that we use can be crumbled down to create carpet underlay. When designing a product, it's a delicate balance between being unique but not too quirky. It's about creating classic lines and forms when I'm sketching on paper and creating prototypes. These classic lines then translate to kind of classic designs, and so classic designs like the Eames chair, for example, is often passed down through generations, and this is the typology of product that we want to create at Boss. A product that will outlast fashion and not just be kind of discarded and thrown into landfill like a lot of the flat pack companies. As a designer, I've always got to come up with new and innovative ways of creating furniture and also creating unique aesthetics that fit in with current trends and environments. But at the same time, we must balance that with the fact that we don't want to create disposable furniture. So we want to create pieces that are going to be handed down to generations. So in creating a piece that is standing the test of time, innovate structures and durability into the product, which involves engineering processes and new and exciting ways of creating that to create a successful product.
Workplace furniture is what we spend most of our time doing. About 60% of everything that goes out of our factory doors, both here and in the US, in the Middle East, finds its way into workplace. And that's of course been a really interesting 4 years. We go back to COVID and when the pandemic hit, and every writer was saying the office is dead. Nobody is going to go back and work in an office any longer. Thankfully, of course, that wasn't the case. And although it's taken time for people to come back into the office, longer in some countries than others, what we've ended up with is this hybrid working. So, normal condition for most administrative and professional workers now is that they will spend some time in the office, they will spend some time from home, they'll spend some time working from third spaces.